We'll see.
We will see what happens. And Rob is here. We are, of course, covering everything that happened last night as the weather team has been walking us through these confirmed tornadoes. And we're not out of the woods yet in terms of more rain being on the way.
Could see some flooding from this.
We could. Over the course of the next 2 or 3 days, we're going to start to pick up a lot of rain. Maybe as much rain in a couple of days as what we might see in a couple of months, especially in southern Indiana. So could be a concern there. And the severe threat is not completely zero. It's definitely lower. It's nothing like what we saw yesterday. But tomorrow we may pick up a severe threat for the southern part of the state. I'll walk you through that. Here's how the radar and satellite looks right now. That rain is starting to continue to push some moisture in. Most of the rain is going to fall along the Ohio River Valley, but many of you will get wave after wave of scattered showers. We'll see one of those waves late this evening and overnight tonight. Then we may push that to the south before it resurges sometime tomorrow evening, carries us into early Saturday morning. Then we may do the same thing. We may push that back down to the south as the next wave arrives sometime on Saturday into Saturday evening, carrying us into Sunday. So it really will be wave after wave of rain. Now, the latest models have pushed that slightly to the south. Not good news for our neighbors to the south, but maybe a little bit of better news for us. What does it mean? Well, I was thinking perhaps earlier in the day when I looked at a lot of the forecast models, 3 to 6 inches of rain could be possible for our area. I'd maybe slide that a little farther to the south, and this again could be great news. This is still a lot of rain for the Ohio Valley, but we're definitely seeing some improvement here. But look, 2 to 4 inches of rain is still a lot of rain, especially when it comes down in 2 to 3 days. That's normally what we would see in a month or so, or even longer. So don't let your guard down just yet. Know that we still have 2 or 3 more days to get through the flooding side of this severe weather. Speaking of severe weather, the threat for severe weather stays to our south, but these are the same areas that dealt with a high risk of severe storms yesterday. They deal with a severe threat tonight. They have a moderate risk of severe weather farther to the south for tomorrow, and then the threat into Saturday. And it does include parts of Indiana, but I do think the threat is going to be suppressed a little farther to the south. Tomorrow, expect rain in the forecast. Don't be surprised if you hear some rumbles of thunder as well. I wouldn't rule that out. And the 7-day forecast brings a cool down in by Sunday, maybe even a couple of snowflakes mixed in with some of those rain showers as we drop the temperatures, but looking to clear out by late Monday through the rest of the week.